Hi everyone, to copy all parameter from the old VFD to the new VFD by using the control panel, I'm talking about the ACS550 VFD from ABB. So we can use this control panel. So go enter, we can just navigate like that to copy, enter. So now if I press enter, so it's work, but if it's on remote mode, you are facing like that. We have this code, so it's being changed to the local. Now I change to the local, press enter. Now the old data copying from the VFD to the control panel. So this is the old VFD. I'm copying the data to the control panel. That's it. Okay, now let's go to the new VFD. So let's consider this the new VFD. What should you do? The same thing, enter, copy, but not UL to download. You have DLP and A. You should select A, that means all parameters, and it. Enter. Now it's copying all parameters. Finished. Thank you.